All right, we're back for another day of backtesting, every day until profitable. Um, my win rate has been taking a huge toll because I just psychologically I keep getting caught up in these moments where I think that I know everything and I am forcing trades and I feel like I need to prove to myself that I can consistently just win and it screwed me up. It's screwing me up. So yesterday I did a 3.5 hour backtesting session. The first hour and a half to 2 hours were brutal. I was just speeding through the market, taking bad setups, taking trades that I wouldn't have normally taken. They have no narrative behind them. Some of them were not even delivering from a higher time frame key level. Like just stupid things. And that second hour and a half of that, I slowed down. I really slowed down. I identified all the key levels. I identified what direction price wanted to move in. I identified false moves off open. I identified valid inverse fair value gaps. I identified, 5 minute unfilled fair value gaps. I identified all these key levels that coincide with my strategy. And I took my time and I took good trades and I trailed my stops and I took partials and I just executed like a trader, like a profitable trader. And that's what I need to start doing more is I need to be executing like a profitable trader, right? I need to be proving to myself that I am a profitable trader. I'm going to be able to get payouts. I have a system that works. And now it's just about executing it like a profitable trader who makes tens of thousands of dollars each month in payouts would execute it, right? So all it comes down to is just treating this business like you're already profitable. Treating this business like you're already at your goals. So you're already making 100K a month. What does your 100K a month self do on the charts and off the charts? Which I do have my off the charts life in order. I'm a disciplined person. I've got a routine. I'm not falling into temptation or anything like that. I'm growing closer to God and all these types of things outside of the charts. Now I need to reflect my life outside of the charts onto the charts. I need to act as a profitable trader would. I need to really act as a profitable trader would and how my 100K a month self would act. So that's just what it comes down to. So what we're going to be doing is just taking our time today, identifying our key levels, only taking trades that make sense, taking one trade a day, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to start treating everything like a profitable trader would, right? So let's just get right into it today. I do want to see if I can line up my time frames. Can I make FX replay line up when I switch to 4 hour? Does it on both charts? This would save me a lot of angst. Interval time frame synchronization right here. Perfect. Alright. Do we have news today? First of all, no news today. On the 4 hour time frame, what do I see? I see that we're clearly bullish. We're trending towards this high. Let's turn on strong magnet. Oh my goodness. All of my things, my lines keep getting reset. I think that, no, I still have my SMT saved. Okay. Okay, sounds good. We haven't come for this high on either index. So we're not SMT. We're still trending up towards this high. We're delivering off of this 4-hour. We are currently inside of a 4-hour. I gotta watch this low. So I'm bullish until proven otherwise. We may want to come down and get a resweep of this low and tap into this unfilled 4-hour right here. One hour, what do I see? We're still trending towards this high. We are delivering off of a 1-hour fair value gap right now. Oh, we're not, sorry. We're delivering out of this 1 hour. So I just gotta watch out for this. Understand that we are delivering out of a key level. Yeah. Delivering out of this 1 hour. Like to see an inversion of that. Trend up in this key level right here. We are SMT'd at this high. This might have done its job, pushing us lower. SMT wanted to push us lower. We're delivering out of this unfilled 15-minute. Alright, strong magnet might not be working for me. I do want to get my middle line. Right, now we're delivering out of this 15-minute as well. Should be no reason for us to move lower. So I do want to see us move bullish, right? I do want to see us move bullish out of this. We left equal highs above. We left relative equal highs above as well. Still delivering out of this 15-minute. Maybe we get a move lower off open, a false move off open, and then we deliver higher. That is what I could see. We do have an unfilled 5-minute below. So I'm just bullish until proven otherwise, right? We do have all this trend line liquidity, right? That we might want to come take out. And just get a deeper retrace down to this unfilled 4-hour. It just doesn't seem realistic until we want to come take out this high. Yeah, so let's just let's see what market does off open. Get a few false moves lower. What do we trend down to? Unfilled 5-minute. Bodies respect. Get a resweep of that low. Gosh dang it, there's a gnat. No, I'm clearly delivering lower right now. Looks like we might want to come take out this low. This gnat is going to drive me insane. We deliver out of this into this 5-minute. Dang it. Inside the 5-minute. Also tapping back into this 15-minute. Highest time frame is just 2-minute. 2-minute inversion, 5-minute unfilled above, delivering out of this 5-minute fair value gap. I like this. Just targeting this unfilled 5-minute. At this point, I'll trim my stop. And TP hit. Could have held to this unfilled 5 above. Would have been break even. And then you would have come up into this high. Solid. Good setup. Alright, we're delivering off this volume imbalance. We may want to get a move lower. We're also SMT'd in the higher time frame. Still delivering from this 4-hour. Unfilled hourly. I like this as a draw on liquidity. We are inside of an hourly for value gap though. I do want to be looking for longs. Could see a retracement down into this unfilled hourly though. We are inside of this 15-minute. This low is a good draw on liquidity below. We are inside of this 15-minute though. No, unfilled 15. We just did open up a 15-minute. I'd like to see price trend higher into this. Respect the 0.5 range. So we could be long, delivering out of this 15-minute fair value gap. I do want to see this low come get hit, especially this 1-hour unfilled fair value gap since we are SMT'd at the top. Also reacting off of this volume imbalance, and we just are overextended, right? You can see we're pretty overextended, so I'd like to see some sort of retracement. So let's just see what we get off open. Equal highs above, unfilled 5-minute. Boom, immediately we tap up into this 15. Perfect, body respects as of right now. We just deliver slightly higher. If we are bearish, I want to see price come lower in the next 9 minutes. Alright, looks like we're probably going to be bullish. 15-minute inverse. We're still trading inside of the Sunfield's 15-minute. So now I'm kind of just looking for longs up to these equal highs. Alright, we take out these highs. Could still be delivering out of this 15-minute though. We'll see what this candle decides to do. Dude, this nat, it's got me going crazy. Alright, we're just coming for it all. We wanted to come up into this unfilled hourly. Oh my gosh, it unfavored everything. I do like this draw on liquidity. Okay, so I don't know why this keeps happening, but it's kind of annoying me. What is going on? I'm on the E-mini. Oh my goodness, I'm on E-mini. Still SMT to this high. Bro, what is going on? Why does my chart keep doing this? Alright, well, we're SMT'd still at this high. Tap into this 5-minute. You could look for a inverse fair value gap up to this high. We are SMT'd, right? So this retracement should do its job, take us into this 5-minute fair value gap. Three-minute fair value gap is our highest time frame. We just respected this. We wanted to come all the way back down. We're inside of this 15-minute volume imbalance. We're respecting the 50% gap. I think we still want to be bullish. We'll just have to see what price wants to do. Still respecting out of this 5-minute. Respecting out of this. Not really a trade setup out of here. Kind of just topping. Took out this low. We still may want to come down into this low. 15-minute got inversed, or may get inversed. I still like this draw on liquidity, as well as this draw as well. We left that unfilled 5. Nothing too obvious out of this. We still have that draw lower. Still have this unfilled hourly. I think we probably want to tap into this. And 4 hour below. We do. We're SMT now. Tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap. Probably going to tap into this unfilled 5-minute. We do tap into the unfilled 5-minute if we want to continue lower. Could want to come tap down to this 4 hour. It could be used as a breakaway gap though. We get a retracement. Oh, we did inverse that 5 minute though. We sweep this internal high. It's 11 a.m. Nothing obvious there. We look bullish. Unfilled 4 hour below. Strong wick. We do look bullish still. SMC'd at this wick. Feel like it did its job though. Or not this wick. Did leave behind these 4 hour equal highs. It's a good draw. And obviously this high is a good draw as well. Kind of just ranging. We got our retracement. God dang it, my whole fib retracement got fucked up. Did retrace into the 50% mark. We're inside of an hourly right now. I'd like to take longs. Inside of a 15 minute as well. This high is a good draw liquidity inside this 15 minute. Just see what price does off open. Looks like we want to come down, sweep out this low inside this 15 minute. Alright, we react inside this 5 minute. Sleep out this low inside this 15 minute. We're also SMT'd. 30-second inversion. I like this 30-second inversion play. I like this play a lot. Probably just go break even at this first internal high right here. Yeah, I do like this. Oh, we're gonna get stop rated. Oof. Alright, well, 1 minute wasn't strong enough. 30-second wasn't strong enough, it looks like. Seems like we wanted to come down and resweep this low. Never mind. What a great stop loss. Break even? Break even. Alright, not bad. We turn back into this 1 minute fair value gap though. We are SMC'd at this high now. Oh, we swept out all these highs. We're still delivering out of this fair value gap. Nothing obvious. We left this high. Inverse this 5 minute. We did inverse this 5 minute, but delivering out of this one. I don't think we'd want to come lower. Ooh, maybe tap back it down to this 15 minute. We do. Tap back down to this 15 minute. See if we want to come back down for that low. This is nice. You get the 1 minute inversion. 3 minute. Quick break even. Alright, in reality, let's be real. I was fortunate. I thought we had a quick break even point. Oof, yeah, no, I mean, that was bad. That was bad. We wanted to come sweep out this low. Yeah, you wouldn't even got an entry opportunity. What did I take? Did I take 2 break even? Did I take a loss and a break even? I forgot if I took anything. I think I only took 1. Because we didn't get an inversion on this leg. Oh, I did take that 30-second play. And that was break even. Alright, we're bullish now. Still SMT'd, but I want to see us come back up and take out this high. Delivering out of an hourly already. Not much for us to retrace back down into unless we want to come sweep out this low. Well, we already swept this high. Unfilled 15-minute above. Not a good entry though. Swip out these equal lows. Let's see what price wants to do. Delivering from this 30-minute. Do get a 30-second entry. PMI. Might want to come for this low inside this 15-minute. I mean, this is barely even an entry. Yeah, we want to come for this low. I mean, I could take this. We already swept out these data lows, so this would be my target. I mean, this just doesn't. No, I'm not taking this. Would have played out. All right, now we swept out this 15-minute. Still delivering out of this 1 hour. We could look for longs out of this now. Could come for all these lows. Delivering out of this 15. Left equal lows. Now we come for them. Alright, there's no reason for us to keep going lower. Draw on liquidity was correct. As far as getting there, could have taken this 2-minute inversion down to this low. That would have been a good play. Now we're inside of a 5-minute. What would we want to come to lower? There's nothing really. I mean, there's not really any reason for us to continue lower. I like this up to this 15-minute unfilled. Hmm. I mean, we already were delivering. Get an inversion with an unfilled 15-minute. I guess I could have seen that we did leave these lows behind. We also had more. I mean, we did have more lows that we wanted to take out, and I was going against the whole narrative. I'm trading against the grain, like completely here. So yeah, I probably could have understood that. See if we continue to come lower. Yeah, we do. We want to come for all these lows. All right, I could have understood that. Inverse is 4 hour. Looks like we might want to come off this low. We are trending bullish though. Unfilled hourly. We're delivering out of a 15-minute. Alright, we're delivering out of this area. Same on the 5-minute, and we got a sweep of this internal low. False move down off open, perhaps. Oh, I did miss this unfilled 15. Ooh, we also have hourly relative equal lows. Let's see what we get out of this. Inside of a 5-minute. Delivering out of here. Now we're delivering out of a 5-minute. We do have a clear draw on liquidity lower, being these 15-minute relative equal lows. Also, this unfilled 15-minute, 5-minute fair value gap. We did wick down already, though. I do like it. I do like this draw. Take partials at this 5-minute. Okay. All right, we're taking a couple losses. Whole narrative for the day was bullish, right? So I kind of just gotta understand that I keep going against the market trend, and I need to stick with the trend. I mean, now you get a 5-minute inversion. You could see a 1-minute retracement here. 1-minute retracement, I mean. Man, I'd really like to be able to play my data. Guess it just doesn't work like that, though. That was my entry. Oh my god. I do feel like we'll come up higher. We are inside of a 5. Yeah, there shouldn't be a reason that we come back down here. Wow, I'm getting killed right now. I guess I could have gone break even at these equal highs. Okay. Okay. I'm giving myself a mulligan on that. That is the only time I've ever done that. That was insane. Wait. That was... Oh, we had news. I'm an idiot. I was literally just gambling on... That was gambling. Now price will go all the way up here. I didn't realize we had news. That was a complete gamble. When Powell speaks, we just want to build up liquidity, right? So we go lower, and then we end up shooting up higher to our actual draw. I did not realize that we had news. All right. News. I assume we want to come up into this daily fair value gap. We're not delivering at anywhere. So I could see us want to come retrace lower. Unfilled 15-minute above. Could see that being tapped into. But as far as it's coming lower, this draw on liquidity does look very nice. Not delivering from anywhere. We are SMT'd. Let's just see what price does off open. I'd assume we get a false move up, maybe. Man, this is really fucking annoying. Doesn't let me ever replay my data. Okay, now my computer's just fucked. This is insane. Bro. I mean, I don't want to cheat here, but we did sleep at a high and said this 15-minute. Yeah, perfect. Doesn't get much better than this. I mean, I half cheated, but at the same time, this is exactly what I would have taken. Pretty perfect. Yeah, you could have held this all the way down. Almost 1-6 RR. Oh, my neck. Check the scores to March Madness. St. John's beating Kansas. Tennessee beating Virginia. Hopefully Florida loses tonight. Hopefully Arizona loses tonight. That's all we can hope for. I'm a Texas and Arkansas fan, so we'll see. Alright, we're clearly trending lower. Unfilled 4 hour. Low inside of a 4 hour. Oh my gosh. Fuck. See if we get a move up into these unfilled 15s off open. And then continue pushing lower. We do. We get a push into this unfilled 15. Not really any entries here. First draw on liquidity hit. Tap into this unfilled 5. Actually in versus 5. Delivery now to the 1 on this higher time frame. We still have this unfilled 4 hour, but this could be enough to deliver higher. Especially if we have an SMT. We do. And we have another unfilled 15-minute above. Tap into that unfilled 15. Four hours still bullish. I can still see us coming to tap into this unfilled 4 hour. Could have taken that 5-minute inversion for sure. Could see us coming down to this unfilled 15-minute. Oh, I do like this setup. We are accumulating though. This SMT could drive us lower into this unfilled 15. Play this quick break even. Okay, never mind. Alright, not the greatest setup. I mean, that inversion was so small. I'm kind of ranging. This SMT is driving us up. Do have an unfilled hourly. This low is also high probability. We're delivering off of an hourly right now. We did leave hourly equal highs. Delivering off this hourly lower. I like to see us wick up into this 5-minute and then perhaps deliver lower. Unfill 15-minute is high up here as well. Two-minute inversion. Delivering from this 5-minute, respecting this 15-minute. I like this. Nice little 1-to-1. Clear target. False move off open, respecting this 5-minute, also respecting this 15-minute. Clear draw below of a wick inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. Right here. We'll see if we want to come all the way down to this low. This low inside of an hourly. It did. Would have been break even. Delivering from this tiny 4-hour fair value gap. We swept out this low inside of it. We're trending bullish. We are inside of a 4-hour fair value gap though. We do have a 1-hour higher or 4-hour higher. We are inside of an hourly. Delivering from a 1-hour. We are a little overextended. So I could be looking for longs here, but I also could look for shorts down to the 50% range. We are SMT'd here. This is a good draw. Off open, we swept this. React off the 1-minute. Displace higher off open. Seems like we want to come for this unfilled 1-hour. We do. That's crazy. I would have been soft. We didn't come for that high fully. Alright, we came down and extended ourselves. We edged these highs. Looks like we're going to inverse this 4 hour. Delivering off this hourly. See if we get a retracement back to this 5 minute. We deliver into this 5 minute. No inversion. Do get a 30-second right here. I still think we're going to trend up higher. Unfilled 5 minute. Tap back into this 1 minute. I like this. Delivery back from this 5 minute. Get a 1 minute inversion. Unfilled 5 minute below, above. This is only 60 points away. And I do really like this draw on liquidity. Failed to tap into the 5 minute. At this point, break even. It shouldn't have been categorized as a loss. It should. We wanted to come lower. We just wanted to use this 5-minute unfilled to push us down. Still have this high above. Trending bullish. We are SMT'd here. SMT could want us to come take. You could be used to come take out this low. Do have an unfilled hourly. See if we come take out this low. And obviously, these unfilled 15s below. Unfilled 15-minute above. See if we deliver off this 15, off this 5 minute, or if we want to come lower into this unfilled 15. We come lower. Delivering out of this unfilled 15 minute. Yeah, I just wouldn't have liked this setup shorting, like longing into all of these 5 minutes. Yeah, too late in the day. Yeah, I could see us coming down for this low. As well as this outside. We're delivering off this hourly. Delivering off this 15 minute. Inverse this 5 minute. This 5 minute off open would have been good. See a 5 minute retracement. No IFVGs. Draws and liquidity have been taken. No entries at any point. Yeah, I could have. Okay. This was a bullshit trade. That went against our higher time frame narrative completely. Oh, this is PMI as well. Yeah, I should have just been looking for continuations. Do one more. Clearly bearish. Right inside of a daily fair value gap. Clearly bearish, but we are overextended. Just got an inverse of that hourly. Got an inverse of that 15-minute. Delivering out of a 5-minute. What the fuck is that? Like to see a 5-minute retracement. Holy shit. Inverse is 5 minutes to the downside. We had no news. Respecting out of that 15-minute. Pull back into a 5-minute. Well, I just got shit on. I entered off this inversion. Price wanted to come raid my stop. Alright, this magnet's fucking pissed me off. Could have put my take profit at the C if this wick gone for 1 to 5. We're bearish. Delivering out of this hourly. Maybe we come look for a sweep of these highs off open. No, we don't want to come all the way up here. I mean, that's kind of far. Let's be realistic. We do get this 5-minute inversion. I feel like we'll respect this. PMI takes us higher. So we're bullish. I guess this high would have been a good draw. We did get a 5-minute pullback. There's no inversion. Well, it's after this. I mean, we took out this hourly high, or delivering from this hourly. We had an unfilled 15-minute below. We got an inversion of a 5-minute right here. Yeah, that was a good draw. Alright, I'm gonna hop off. I gotta buy some fundeds. Alright, I'm gonna hop off. I'll be back tomorrow. Market opens. We'll take this week day by day, and then yeah, that'll be it. So I'll see you.